Hello everyone. I'd like to thank the Aspen Institute for this very kind invitation. I'm very happy to be able to talk to you today. Regrettably not in person, but I hope there'll be other opportunities very soon. I'm going to talk to you about artificial intelligence and defense, and particularly I'm going to be talking about the experiences I had in that space, working as a NATO official and later as a consultant to NATO. The views I'm going to express are my own. So, artificial intelligence in its current wave is primarily centered on machine learning, including deep learning. One way of understanding machine learning is that it consists of automated statistical learning algorithms that are trained on large data sets such that they become very effective at correctly recognizing patterns and making predictions when encountering new real-world data. And the data in question can be of any type: numbers, text, audio, images, video. If it can be digitized, it can be used, and that covers a full range of what is needed. Since a few years, machine learning algorithms perform better than humans on a quite broad range of pattern recognition and prediction tasks. And with appropriate eyes and ears, by which I mean sensors, on robotic systems, we're looking at a world of intelligent, connected devices, autonomous devices, capable of determining their own courses of action to solve particular mission objectives, acting either alone or in collaboration with other robotic systems or with humans. And that may be in the cyber domain or in any of the physical domains of military operation, air, land, sea, or space. That is the direction of travel and the promise of AI, provided we invest well, have the right policies in place, and make efforts to stay ahead of potential adversaries and competitors. At NATO, the priority has been to develop policy according to two main pillars: dynamic adoption and responsible use. Adoption refers to investments and new mechanisms to ensure a more rapid and effective throughput of the best available technologies into the world of military capability development. Responsible use refers to principles that allied governments have recently committed to ensure that ethical and legal considerations are integrated and to guide the development of new capabilities, while also providing a baseline level of commitment on the international stage for engagements with non-allies. The principles are A, lawfulness, B, responsibility and accountability, C, explainability and traceability, D, reliability, E, governability, and F, bias mitigation. A few comments on some of these principles. Responsibility and accountability refers to the notion that military users will remain responsible and accountable, including in the legal sense, and in line with the relevant chains of command. It will not be the case that the AI capabilities themselves are deemed responsible, or that nothing or nobody is deemed responsible. Responsibility and accountability shall relate to human decision makers, as is the case with any other military capabilities or their uses. The principle of reliability includes commitments towards the safety, security, and robustness of AI capabilities. This includes ensuring that AI capabilities are robust to data environments that occur in real-life operating conditions. For example, we cannot have systems that are completely thrown off course because colors and luminosity have changed because the weather has changed. Also, this principle addresses AI being secure from deliberate attacks, spoofing, data poisoning, or model extraction attacks, for example. The principle of governability includes the ability to disengage or deactivate a system if that system demonstrates unintended behavior. This ability may be built in based on the possibility for human intervention, but also through the possibility of distinct control software, which could detect unintended behavior and respond faster than a human supervisor could hope to achieve. So, what is the work that lies ahead? Now that the Alliance has the essential policy building blocks in place, we're looking at very concrete steps to continue the development and integration of new capabilities and to pursue the practical implementation of the principles of responsible use. The alliance's scientific and technological expert communities, its capability development communities, its standardization communities, its military and user communities, all will play key roles in driving this work forward. Test centers will play an important role in testing, experimentation, verification, and validation of what capabilities can do and of how they stack up as compared to the principles of responsible use. Efforts to accelerate technological development will be crucial, calling for greater state investments in defense research and development, as well as new and streamlined pathways to collaborate with leading industry and academic players. Through ongoing work on common NATO standards, interoperability will remain central to Allied efforts. And so it is my hope that allies in Central Europe, and most notably the Czech Republic, will find new ways of contributing in this major area of work. This is an exciting time for technologically gifted innovators and entrepreneurs who want to contribute to the defense and security of Europe and of the Atlantic Alliance. Thank you.